Good morning, all of you. Happy to teach you all after a long holidays, and I hope you had a fruitful and a enjoyable summer. I am sure you all are rested and ready to take our virtual classes. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. So in today's class, students, we are reading chapter number 3. As you know this chapter we are already read before the holidays. In this chapter, what we have done: Neolithic age, domestication of animals, brick making, discovery of wheel, tools, way of life, Chalcolithic period, Dowsali and Mehergarh. These all fully chapter we have already done. But in today's class, we have to solve this exercise. So students, let's ready to start this exercise? Yes. So this is the choose the correct option. So you have a one line, this line, and there is a 4 option, as you know that. So Neolithic age lasted between 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. The second option is 10,000 to 800 BCE. The third option is 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. And the fourth one is 4,000 to 2,000 BCE. Tell me that, students, which one is the right answer? 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE. Second, third and fourth. The Neolithic age lasted between 8,000 to 4,000 BCE. Now the question number 2. Domestication of animals helped human to get a regular supply of. Acha, listen, what is that meaning of domestication of animals? The animals who are reared at a home, जिन्हें हम घर पे पाल सकते हैं, like sheep, goat, buffalo, cow. So they are help to us get regular supply. क्या? The answer, the option is honey and fruit, bread and eggs. No. Milk and meat. None of these. Again we are reading. Honey and fruit. No. Bread and eggs. No. Milk and meat. Aha. Yes. हमें एनिमल से क्या मिल रहा है? Milk and meat. Now the third point. Early humans used to store grains in. Early humans used to store grains. Where they are put up the grains? Pots, pits, baskets, all of these. Again we are reading pots. Yes, they are reading. They are storing their grains in pots. Pits. Yes, again. They are also store their grains in the pits. Basket. Yes. And all of these. So the answer is all of these. X was used. What is that meaning of X? X is a tool. आपने कुल्हाड़ी सुना होगा ना, X. So X, the meaning, what was used to dig the ground? No. For harvesting? No. For grinding the grains? Not at all. To clear the land of cultivation? Yes. X was used to clear the land for cultivation and agriculture. So fifth one is, in the Neolithic age, humans used to live. Where they are living? Caves. Yes, caves में भी रहते थे. Thatched huts. Yes. Pit houses? No. Both first and second. So we are just going, there is a 2 answers as well. We can put that the thatched hut also, because thatched hut and pits are the same thing. What is the thatched hut? Thatched hut means, have you seen the huts जिनके ऊपर dry color की leaves होती हैं? The huts are there. So these are the thatched huts. So we are putting this second point, thatched hut. Early man painted on. where the early man painted. So wall of caves हो सकता है, right? Stones, no. Trees, no. The fourth one, none of these. So early man painted on where? Wall of caves. The question number 7th, during the Chalcolithic period, humans started to use. In Chalcolithic period, what the human are started? Which metal they are starting to use? The first one is copper, second one is iron, third one is mica, and the fourth one is brass. So we have already read that Chalcolithic period has a metal that one is the first metal to use by the people, that is a copper. The 8th question is, Mehergarh is located. Where the Mehergarh is located? So the Mehergarh is located to west the Satluj river, to west the Indus river, to east the Chenab river, to east the Jhelum river. Which is the right answer? Tell me, students. Yes, second one, to the west of Indus river. This is the correct answer. So now the question number 9. Daujali Hading is located in Assam, Mizoram, Bengal and Kashmir. Which is the right answer? So the answer is Daujali Hading is in Assam. Daujali Hading is in Assam. So now we are starting the B point, fill in the blanks. Yes, students, we have read the first one. Rice cultivation was done in East India as well as dash in Uttar Pradesh. The rice cultivation also already done in East India, and the second one, which place in Uttar Pradesh they have done, that is a Koldi Wall. Koldi Wall is a place in Uttar Pradesh. The early man or Neolithic people have done the rice cultivation. Now the second one, dash was used to clear land for cultivation. It means which tool the early man or Neolithic people are using to clear a land for a cultivation. Recently we have done this. Tell me that, student. What is the answer of this? The answer is, which tool is this? Axe. Axe was the used to clear land for cultivation. The third one, logs, dash and dash were also used to build some pit houses. So what type of material and which is the material they are using to make up pit houses? Logs, and the second one is, yes, stones. You are already read it about it. Stones and bricks also. Yes. And now fourth one is, dash is considered to be first metal to be used by early man. We have already read it. Which metal is that used by the early man first time? That is, yes, you are totally right, copper. Copper is considered to be the first metal to use by the early man. Dash is the one most important Neolithic site discovered in 1974. So which site is very famous? Exactly right answer. That is a Mehergarh. Mehergarh is the most important Neolithic site discovered in 1974. So now a C part. We have already done A part, B part, and now we are also doing in the same class, that is a C part. Statement whether true or false. There is a 6 statements. We have found that which statement is true and which statement is false. So the first one is, early man plugged the land for a purpose of irrigation. Tell me, student, it is true or false? Yes, you are right. This is a true. Sickle was used to clear land for cultivation. No, we have already read it. Sickle was not used. Which tools are used to clear the land for cultivation? That is X. It means this statement is what? False. So now third, clay pots were baked to make them strong. Tell me that क्या clay pots को bake करके उसको strong बनाया जाता था? Yes, we have already read it about in the previous classes. This is the true statement. Early man was scared of lightning and thunder. Tell me that कि अर्ली मैंस को जब लाइटनिंग होती थी एंड जब तूफान आता था, ठंडर होता था, बिजली कड़कती थी, दे हैव scared about it. You have already read it. So yes, this statement is also a true. Now the fifth one, Chaolithic period of from 8000 to 4000 BCE. No, this is the false statement. Because you know that Chalcolithic period is between 4000 to 2000 BCE. So the sixth one is, human settlements were normally close to river. Yes, and why they are living to the rivers, living nearby the river? Because they have to resolve this problem like a irrigation, for the water supply, for bathing, for drinking. So all the human settlements were normally close to the river. So in today's class, what we have done? Beta, we have done a exercise. So these questions you can do in your notebook. A part, a B part, and also a C part. We have already discussed it and we have done it also. These A, B, C you can do in your notebook, and D and E we can do in the next classes. Thank you so much, student.